but there's a lot of other nice stuffed animals out there, too. Would you trade Mr. Stuffy Wuffy for any of them?
Never! They have to get Mama Otter's rock back to her no matter what!
I can catch up with the Pelican, but I'm not sure how I'll get the rock from her mouth.
Leave that part to me! Take the controls, Captain Floof! Flitter Flower Micropower!
Here we go! Speed power!
Swirl and a twirl, let's give this a whirl! Ew, 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 ew! Sticky wet pelican mouth! Aha! Gross, but... Ugh. Green stripe, smooth shape. Got it! Ugh. Must get out! No!
You got it! Way to go!
Flitter Flower Macro Power! To Mama Otter! Here you go, Mama Otter. We found your favorite rock.